Welcome to HypnoCloud. My name is Elena Mosaner, and today's session is designed to activate your body's natural healing and restoration, bringing you into a state of ultimate health and well-being. You can listen while walking, exercising, stretching, or simply resting with your eyes closed. However you choose to experience this, know that healing is taking place in the background, gently, effortlessly, profoundly. This is a special session, meaning you can pause, come back, or even be momentarily interrupted by something, a sound, a billboard, a passing conversation, and none of it will take your focus away from these healing, restorative suggestions. In fact, any interruption will only deepen your openness, but only to these words, to this healing, for as long as you choose. Now, simply bring your attention to this moment. Feel what you feel. If you're moving, notice the subtle rhythm of your body. If you're resting, feel your body as it is, supported and at ease. Become aware of your breath. Just allow yourself to tune in, to receive these healing suggestions, without needing to know how your body is activating its internal fountain of healing, a deep, radiant energy. Perhaps golden, perhaps luminous and flowing, it awakens within you now. This energy is alive. It breathes. It moves freely through you. Restoring every system, every cell, every fiber of your being, wherever healing and rejuvenation are needed most. This energy knows exactly where to go. It dissolves blockages, strengthens weaknesses, and restructures what needs to be reorganized. Your body is wise, intelligent. It understands what is needed. You are restoring now. This healing energy is already at work. It moves like a gentle current circulating through you, bringing balance and renewal. Whatever you're doing, walking, breathing, resting, this healing energy continues to flow. It is harmonizing, rejuvenating, and awakening your body's highest potential. Your body is an orchestra of intelligence and precision. Each system, each organ, each cell plays its part in perfect harmony. And you are restoring this harmony now into a calming, beautiful, orchestrated melody that your body can produce. It's alive and healthy. Who is the conductor of this orchestra? You might think your subconscious mind. As it hears these words, it fine-tunes every part of you, creating a magnificent symphony of health and vitality. Your immune system is strong and alert, identifying and neutralizing anything that does not belong. Your lymphatic system is flowing freely, cleansing and removing what is unnecessary. Your circulatory system moves in perfect rhythm, carrying oxygen, nutrients, and energy to every cell. Your digestive system absorbs and distributes nourishment with ease, fueling your body with strength and balance. Every system is awakening to its fullest potential. Feel how effortlessly your body restores itself. You are a powerful self-healing system. You activate your internal fountain of healing now. Every cell in your body is regenerating and restoring. Your immune system is strong, resilient, and protective. Your circulatory system flows perfectly, delivering vitality to every cell. Your lymphatic system cleanses and detoxifies. You trust your body to restore itself to perfect health. Your nervous system is calm, balanced, and aligned. Your muscles and joints are flexible, strong, and pain-free. Your breath carries healing energy into every part of your being. Blockages are dissolving, and your body is returning to perfect harmony. If there is any tension, discomfort, or imbalance, it is now being gently addressed. Tension melts away. Your subconscious mind fine-tunes your body's natural rhythms. Your digestive system absorbs and distributes nourishment with ease. You release all tension and allow deep relaxation to restore you. Your skin, bones, and organs are vibrant and full of life. Blockages dissolve. Every system aligns into perfect harmony. Your nerves relax, carrying only messages of calm and comfort. You are constantly renewing, strengthening, and revitalizing your body. Healing energy flows through you, restoring balance in every way. You are whole, strong, and deeply connected to your body's wisdom. Your muscles release and restore, becoming stronger, more flexible. Your joints are smooth, fluid, unrestricted. Your skin, your bones, your heart, your breath, all working together beautifully, seamlessly. With every inhale, fresh energy enters your body. With every exhale, you release all that is no longer needed. Your lungs expand effortlessly. Your heart beats in perfect rhythm. Your mind and body synchronize into a state of complete renewal. Now, imagine this healing energy like a golden light flowing through you. It moves from the top of your head, clearing tension, dissolving stress. It flows down your face, softening every feature, relaxing your jaw, your neck, your shoulders. It travels downward through your chest, back, and spine. Aligning, strengthening, restoring. It continues through your abdomen, your hips, your legs, all the way down to your feet. every part of you illuminated, renewed, revitalized. You can trust your body. It knows exactly how to heal, how to restore a perfect balance, and in this moment, it is doing just that. Gently, intelligently, without any effort on your part. Let it heal and restore you now. As this session continues, these suggestions will settle into the deepest parts of your subconscious. Healing will keep unfolding gently, naturally, long after this session ends. You are healthy. You are strong. You are resilient. You are in perfect harmony. Now take a deep breath in and exhale completely. Feel the power of your body's natural healing. When you're ready, return to your day feeling refreshed, clear, and focused. Or simply rest, allowing this healing to continue naturally, effortlessly. This is Elena with HypnoCloud. For more hypnotherapeutic sessions, download our app at hypnocloud.com. Your body is your greatest ally. Trust it.